Friends, let's know about Sam Manekshaw, the Field Marshal. Field Marshal Sam Hormozi Fremji Jamshedji Manekshaw, widely known as Sam Manekshaw and Sam Bahadur, Sam the Brave, was the Chief of Army Staff of Indian Army during the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971 and the first Indian Army officer to be promoted to the rank of Field Marshal. His active military career spanned 4 decades and 5 wars, beginning with the service in the British Indian Army in World War II. Now, let's know about early life and education of Sam Manekshaw. Sam Manekshaw was born on 3rd April 1914 in Amritsar, Punjab, to Hormuz Manekshaw, who was a doctor, and Hilla, both Parsis who moved to Amritsar from the city of Valsad in the coastal Gujarat region. Manekshaw's parents had left Mumbai in 1903 for Lahore, where Hormuz had friends and where he was to begin practicing medicine. However, by the time train halted at Amritsar, trains used to make very long hauls in those days. Hilla was pregnant, found it impossible to travel any further. The couple had to break journey to seek help from the station master, who advised that in her condition Hilla should not attempt any journey until her confinement. By the time that happened, the couple had found Amritsar salubrious and elected to settle in the city. Hormuzji soon established a thriving clinic and pharmacy in the center of Amritsar. The couple had 6 children over the following decade, numbering 4 sons and 2 daughters: Fali, Silla, Jan, Sheru, Sam, and Jami, of whom Sam was their 5th child and 3rd son. During the Second World War, Hormuzji Manekshaw served in the British Indian Army as a captain in the Indian Medical Services (IMS), now the Army Medical Corps. Of the Manekshaw siblings, Sam's 2 elder brothers Fali and Jan qualified as engineers, while Silla and Sheru became teachers. Both Sam and his younger brother Jami served in the Indian Army Forces, with Jami becoming a doctor like his father and serving in Royal Indian Air Force as a medical officer, the first Indian to be awarded the Air Surgeon's Wings from the Naval Air Station Pensacola. In the United States, Jami joined his elder brother in becoming a flag officer, retiring as an Air Vice Marshal in the Indian Air Force. As a boy, Manekshaw was mischievous and highly spirited. His early ambition was to study medicine and become a doctor like his father. He completed his primary schooling in Punjab and then went to Sherwood College, Nainital in 1929. He left the college at the age of 15 with his junior Cambridge certificate, an English language curriculum developed by the University of Cambridge International Examinations. In 1931, he passed his senior Cambridge with distinction. Manekshaw then asked his father to send him to London to study medicine, but his father refused on the grounds that he was not old enough. In addition, he was already supporting the studies of Manekshaw's 2 elder brothers, both of whom were studying engineering in London. Instead, Manekshaw entered the Hindu Sabha College, now the Hindu College Amritsar, and in April 1932 sat his final exams held by the University of Punjab, passing with the 3rd division in science. In the meantime, the Indian Military College Committee, which was set up in 1931 and chaired by Field Marshal Sir Philip Chetwode recommended the establishment of a military academy in India to train Indians for officer commissions in the army. A 3-year course was proposed with an entry age of 18 to 20 years. Candidates would be selected on the basis of an examination conducted by the Public Service Commission. A formal notification for entrance examination to enroll in the Indian Military Academy (IMA) was issued in the early months of 1932, and examinations were scheduled for June or July. In an act of rebellion against his father's refusal, Manekshaw applied for a place and sat the entrance exams in Delhi. On October 1, 1932, he was one of the 15 candidates to be selected through open competition. Manekshaw was placed 6th in the order of merit. Indian Military Academy. Manekshaw was selected as part of the first batch of cadets called the Pioneers. His class also produced Smith Dunn and Muhammad Musa Khan, future commanders in chief of Burma and Pakistan, respectively. Although the academy was inaugurated by Chetwode on 10th December 1932, the cadets' military training commenced on 1st October 1932. Manekshaw proved to be witty during his stay at IMA and went on to achieve a number of firsts. The first graduate to join one of the Gorkha regiments, first to serve as the Chief of Army Staff of India, and first to attain the rank of Field Marshal. Of the 40 cadets inducted, only 22 completed the course, and they were commissioned as second lieutenants on 1st February 1935 with antedated seniority from 4th February 1934. This is all about the early life and education of Field Marshal Manekshaw. In the next video, we will know about his military career. If you like the video, please give it a like, share and subscribe to our channel.